is that? You need just an extra measure or two of music to find your key for that. The intro to Don't Get Around Much Anymore. If I go...
Mr. Saturday Dance.
Yeah, we're going to do that for your intro for your quiet spot, okay? I'm going to give you that much.
Okay, so you go good.
Because that'll help you find your key better. Okay? Do you have your harmonica on you right now, Andre?
Huh?
Do you have your harmonica on you right now?
I do.
Well, Laura, we need to do a third spot with him because he has to play the harmonica into the mic.
I think we should.
Okay, so that'll be the last spot. Right now, let's do the beginning of I'm Gonna Be a Real Someday. Okay?
Let's go.
Okay. So, we'll just start playing. Let's take the time comes. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's now we'll do the intro into the quiet part. It's not really quiet. You don't ever sing really quiet, but it's quieter. We'll do the beginning of Don't Get Around Much. Okay? So we're doing the whole intro, gentlemen. Okay? His cue line for that is, pardon me?
Do I even remember my cue line?
Well, hopefully you do. Let's see.
And you know where it got me? Mr. Saturday Dance, I'd have gone before. It's awful different, don't you? Don't get around much anymore. Oh, that this is love. God as far as the door.
This is as much quiet as he sings ever. Okay? So you get it? Now we need to do the beginning of If You Belong to Me, so he can play the harmonica into the mic for you.
Yep.
Okay, so let me get to the right page here, and then you're going to say something about 10 years since we broke up.
Actually, I don't think it's a good decision to make a decision right now. Don't want to be yet, it's too soon. You know, 10 years since we broke up.
2.
Waltzing around the room tonight, it's someone else's clothes.
Can you split the difference for me? Can you give me a little more piano on my monitor again?
During his?
During everyone, just in my monitor.
Play.
Okay.
Play again.
I
mean, is that indicative of what the balance is to the house?
It has nothing to do with the house.
I know. What level of what I would hear would be a kind of approximate to what the house hears as the balance?
I don't know what you mean. The monitor's for you.
I know. Like, can you make the monitor as loud compared to what I hear in the vocal as what the house hears of me compared to the vocal?